scientists have found the presence of metals in the atmosphere of Comet. In the research paper that was published in the Nature magazine, two teams of scientists claims that they found the presence of metal in the atmosphere of comets. Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to talk about comets and the research that led to the finding of metal vapors in the comet surface. So, what is a comet? Comets are frozen leftovers from the formation of solar system composed of dust, rock and ices. Comets are also referred as dirty snowballs. They have a wide range of orbital periods ranging from several years to several millions of years. But as they orbit closer to the sun, they heat up and starts to expel large quantities of gases and dust into a glowing head that can be larger than a planet. This material forms a tail that stretches millions of miles. For most comets, their distance from the sun keeps their temperature below a few hundred Kelvin, which is still hot enough for water, ice and other volatile compounds to sublimate. So, now you would be wondering, what are the elements found in the atmosphere of comets? Comets have a nuclei which is mostly hidden by a surrounding clouds of gas and dust called coma. So, the knowledge of comet's atmosphere and its composition must be obtained from the observation of coma. Most of the telescopic observations on comet do not detect metals because the temperature at the comet surface are too low for the elements to sublimate. During various spectral observations, researchers had already found the presence of hydroxide, cyanide and dicarbon groups in the surface of comets. But there were no signs that showed the presence of iron, nickel and other heavy elements earlier. It was a very surprising news when the study by a Belgian and Polish team using data obtained from the Very Large Telescope in Chile has shown that iron and nickel exist in the atmosphere of Comet throughout our solar system. This is the first time that heavy metals usually associated with hot environment have been found out in the cold atmosphere of distant comets. Now, the next question is, how did the researchers found out the presence of metals in comet? They analyzed the spectrum of light coming from the comet and found out an unidentified spectral line which showed the presence of natural atoms of iron and nickel. And this presence of iron and nickel was found in all comets that were studied in detail. It was also found out that the presence of metals in comet's atmosphere is very small, which made it more difficult to identify. And still now it remains uncertain how all these comets can generate metals at such cold temperature. One possibility is that harsh ultraviolet light from the sun might break apart nickel-containing molecule in the comets. And it is still a possibility and there is no confirmation for this. That means we should have to wait long to know the real reason behind it. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, press on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.